of you, and you cannot find the code that I put down not 5 minutes ago. Well, of all of the. Then he did not get up the find that he had been sitting on it, and would fall out of your can give it. I have drowned himself now. When half and Howard and been spring in tying up his finger, and the new glass had been bought, he would have another go. Two people would have to hold the chair, and a third would help him up to know and hold him there. A torturer would have him a nail and 50 once of glass. When Half and Howard had been spring in tying of his finger, there he would say in just injured turn, now then snail's gone, and we would all have to go down on our heels for it. The nail would be found at last, but by the time he would have lost the hammer. Where's hammer? What did do with the hammer? Great heavens, seven of the gaping round there, and you don't know what I did with the hammer. We would find the hammer for him and try to understand that. We would find the hammer for him, and then he would have lost sign of the mark he had made of the wall. Where his nail was to go in, each of us had to get up on the chair beside him and see if we could find it. We would each discover it in a different place, and he would came us the all false. Trying in a reach of point there inches behind what was possible for him the reach. The string would slip, and down he would slide on the piano. At last, Uncle Bajar would get the spot fixed and put up the point of the nail on it with his left hand and take the